Building a business that finally allows you to leave your 9 to 5 job is one of the most important decisions you ever make. Do you go with a popular product that seems to have a lot of competition, or do you dedicate your time to building something entirely new that's more complex? By the end of this video, you're going to have the answers to two very important questions. What are the top 6 digital products currently on the market, and which one would get you off your job the fastest in 2025? Starting at number 6, we have a product that serves as an entry point for many entrepreneurs. This is an easy way to get into the digital space, but it often has a lower profit margin for the time invested. The competition can be high with a lot of generic planners, low quality ebooks, and basic checklists, but these are a simplified version of a digital asset. You get the product, you rebrand it, and you resell it. It's a quick, low cost way to get started, but it's not always a high quality product. This business model requires time to find good products, rebrand them, and market them. This product is a PLR or private label rights digital product. And even with some critiques, it's a great introductory product. Coming in as one of the lowest effort products on our list, a PLR product can be a consistent income stream. If you're looking for a great place to start, I recommend you check out my product, the viral selling $7 digital product, because it's the perfect way to get your feet wet and learn the ropes of selling online. This system gives you a done-for-you funnel, which is a huge advantage for the working class person who doesn't have a lot of free time. For just $7, you get the entire funnel with one-click installation, email swipes, video training, and a private support community. You can customize it and market it as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. I put a link to the product in the description below so you can check it out. Now, while a PLR product like this is fantastic for getting your feet wet, there's a way to scale this even further. Coming in at number 5, we're going to make an immediate jump in value by moving to a business model that focuses on leveraging other people's high quality, high ticket products. This model gives you as much ownership as a PLR product does, but it has a higher profit percentage, with the majority of that profit going directly to you. We absolutely love this product because whether you're selling your own product or promoting others, most of us can agree that your time should be spent on high quality, high ticket items. This product is a type of digital product known as affiliate marketing. What sets it apart is that you can add your own personal recommendations and insights, making it a much more genuine and high value recommendation. This business is perfect for somebody who wants to start getting some real bang for their buck with their creative time. Now, if you want a head start in affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner with no content, funnels, or emails, I highly recommend checking out Funnel Freedom. It's an all-in-one marketing program that gives you a complete pre-built system to promote multiple high-ticket affiliate offers without having to build it all yourself. It's a fantastic tool to get you off the ground quickly and start earning commissions that can be as high as $1,350 per sale, with the potential for monthly recurring revenue as well. If you're serious about affiliate marketing but don't want the huge tech headache, Funnel Freedom is a game changer. I've put a link to it in the description down below. Now that we've talked about leveraging other people's products, let's talk about the value of selling your own. At number 4, we have our first service that is a serious time for money exchange. This is a high-touch, custom-built solution, but it's a model with very low startup costs. You're essentially selling your expertise and time, offering a solution rather than a one-size-fits-all product. You're delivering value that is perfectly tailored to your client's needs, which is a powerful way to build a reputation. The downside is that it requires your active time to earn money, meaning you have to be hands-on with every client. This business model is known as done-for-you services, and it's a great option for someone who loves building relationships and takes pride in the quality of their work. If you want to start a business that doesn't rely on complex sales funnels and you want to see a direct return on your time, this is an excellent choice. Now, if you want to get started with this type of business without the hassle of building your own website or marketing strategies, I highly recommend a platform like Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for freelance services, and it's perfect for beginners because it has a built-in audience of buyers who are already looking for what you offer. This means you can focus on what you're good at, delivering a quality service, rather than spending all your time trying to find clients. I've put a link to it in the YouTube description down below. Now that we've talked about trading time for money with services, let's look at a more scalable recurring revenue model. Coming in at number 3, we have a business that you can build once and get paid for over and over. My membership community. The best part about a membership community is its high profit margin and predictable revenue stream every single month. You're not relying on one-off sales or single downloads, which makes it one of the most stable models on our list. The main challenge is setting up a dedicated sales funnel to attract and retain members, making it a more involved business to run. A membership community is a great solution for those who feel insecure of what to sell or are overwhelmed by tech and marketing. It provides a proven step-by-step system to create, launch, and scale profitable digital products without the typical trial and error. For example, you can get immediate feedback from other members on your product ideas, or get direct answers on how to set up your sales funnel from an expert. This eliminates the guesswork and frustration. If you're a working professional who is ready to invest in a business that gives you a consistent income while you're still at your job, I highly recommend checking out my membership community, the Digital Product Income Academy. It's designed to turn your creativity into cash and includes a clear framework to grow your business fast with exclusive access to a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. The link to join is in the description below. Now, if you want to take your education and systems to the next level with a more structured approach, our next digital product is a great option. At number 2, we have signature courses, which are a high-value and comprehensive way to package your expertise. The best part about this business model is that you're selling a complete solution to a specific problem. You can charge a premium price for the deep transformation you offer, making it a powerful way to earn a substantial income. The main challenge is the initial effort of creating the content, from video lessons and workbooks to accountability systems. Signature courses are a great solution for those who are ready to commit to a structured path to success. A course gives you a clear step-by-step blueprint to follow, providing everything a student needs all in one place, guiding them from their starting point to their desired outcome. If you're someone who is ready to commit to a detailed program to build a profitable digital business, I recommend checking out my signature course, the Digital Income Starter Kit. It's designed to walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. Now, if you want to take your expertise and turn it into a high-value asset that you can sell over and over, our next digital product is the perfect option. Coming in as the most valuable option on our list is high-value custom templates. These take the cake as the #1 digital product of 2025. What I love about this model is that it offers a perfect balance of high value and scalability. It's a product that's built with a purpose and provides a direct solution to a client's problem. Let me give you an example of what I mean by high value versus a cheap template. On Etsy, you can find a generic social media template pack for like $10. It's a quick fix, but it all looks the same and you still have to spend hours trying to make it fit your brand. A high-value custom template is a deep solution. Imagine you create a brand storytelling kit for real estate agents. This isn't just 30 posts, it's a complete package that includes branded Instagram story templates, a custom designed listing flyer, and email newsletter templates. You're giving them a system to consistently build their brand and attract clients, which is a massive value add and justifies premium price. The product itself is a premium asset that's far less generic than a simple one-size-fits-all template. It's a powerful business model for someone who cares about building a strong brand and a loyal customer base. So now that you have a digital product to sell, the next question is, how do you sell it? But that's why you want to check out the next video where we'll break down the most effective ways to market and sell your digital products. See you in the next video.